At Shure, we make several microphones that are great for capturing professional audio content and video content while on the go. But it can be a little bit daunting to decide which one is right. So hopefully this video will help narrow down your choices and figure out which mic is right for you. This is the MV88 USB-C. It's a plug-and-play stereo condenser microphone that features some really cool onboard DSP and the ability to change polar patterns. So if you're looking for a plug-and-play option, go with the MV88 USB-C and you'll be set. If you want a more robust solution that features more of a kit, this is the MV88 Plus Video Kit. It comes with the mic, the shoe mount, the phone clamp, the tripod, as well as a USB-C and lightning cable. So if you're using a lightning-enabled device, we have you covered. It also features onboard monitoring, where you can plug in a set of headphones and listen to your recording in real time. Now, if you want to go wireless, we've also got you covered using our MoveMic 88 Plus and also our MoveMic Labs, which I'll link down below. But the MoveMic 88 Plus pairs directly to your phone without a receiver. Let me say that again. It pairs to your phone without a receiver, making it a wireless solution to get you closer to the audio and not have to be tethered directly to your device. That said, if you want to use it with our receiver option, you can get into your cameras and into your laptops easily as well. So this is a robust solution if you want to have wireless flexibility, but still have the control and changeability of the polar patterns of the MV88 Plus. So to recap, you have your MV88 USB-C for plug and play, your MV88 Plus Video Kit for more of a robust solution, including lightning support as well as onboard monitoring, and your MoveMic 88 Plus for a wireless option. I know you probably have some more questions, so just leave them as a comment down below. We'll get back to you. I'm Laura. Thanks for watching.